Dear students of Class 8, hope you are fine at your home. In case of COVID-19, we are unable to take class in our school, but you are JSC examining. So, completion of your lesson is the most important than other classes. As a part of your lesson, I am studying to teach chapter 3 from remaining chapter of your syllabus. The name of this chapter is Diffusion, Osmosis and Absorption. It is a biology related chapter. To discuss this chapter, we should know what is plant. In general, plant is a living thing which can move from one place to another. We can see the figure. What is the activities of plant with respect to this chapter? The figure, we can see in the figure there is two materials in under the soil. One is water and other is minerals. Upward movement of water and minerals from root of leaf we see in figure. After that, due to transpiration, water vapor goes out of leaves through diffusion. We see the what is diffusion, which is related the chapter. So we need to discuss about diffusion. In the text, we can see that matters made up of small molecules. These molecules are always in motion. In case of liquid and gas, the motion of these molecules are very fast and shows tendency to diffuse towards the regions with lower concentration from higher ones. This movement of molecules continues as long as the concentration of two regions becomes equal. Diffusion stops at once when the concentration of molecules becomes equal in two regions. This type of movement of molecules is called diffusion. For example, if you drop the small of sand or ator at the corner of our room, the spread all around the room of that ator or sand. It happens due to diffusion. To understand the meaning of diffusion properly, we can do an experiment. To do an experiment needs some requirements. Copper sulfate, water and beaker. First of all, we can take a beaker. After that, some water we can drop in this beaker. At last, we can drop a crystal of blue vitriol. Sometimes after, we see that the color of this water will be light blue because crystal of blue vitriol will be split some in water. Then the color of this beaker will be light blue. Finally, we see that the color of water will be deep blue of water. The solution from one region of higher concentration to that of lower one occurs. In that case, it will be deep blue, and the motion of molecules of blue vitriol will make a pressure from lower concentration to higher concentration. That is called diffusion pressure. Importance of diffusion. Importance of diffusion in our life or another purposes. Diffusion takes place in every physiological process of organism. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen is byproducts. Diffusion makes this essential task possible. In case of animal respiration, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, carrying of food, oxygen etc. from blood to limb and from limb to cells occur through diffusion. From this lesson, I can ask to you mainly 3 questions. Number 1 is, what is diffusion? Second number is, what do you mean by diffusion pressure? Third number, importance of diffusion in our life or other ways. My dear student, the answer of those questions, learn properly and send your answer to my group ID by mentioning name and role. Thank you so much.